Each plant is a unique system operating on water and solar energy, optimally adapted to its environment. The life of a plant is the constant process of conversion of carbon dioxide into oxygen. For plants, oxygen is a waste product. For us, it is the basis of life. What if we could create an analog of the living plant, exceeding it in productivity of oxygen by tens of thousands of times? Now we can. LIM from NEPHI Technology. We have spent 15 years of hard work in order to get technologies which replicate what's happening in nature. Let's take a closer look at the system's work. Gas emitted in the process of fuel combustion is sent to a LIM appliance. The composition of gas is measured by gas analyzers before it's input into and output from the appliance. Changes in the composition of gas are shown on an electronic display. The LIM system is very economical and uses only 300 watts. Any technological gases are purified by the appliance. As output, we get clean air. Any types of pollution, after being processed by LIM, decompose into elements and are washed into a flotation machine where they are separated from water. No chemical reagents, only water. As output, we're getting a residue which primarily consists of carbon and its compounds. LIM is fully automated and run by one operator. Technological gases, dust-like particles, and gaseous contaminants SO2, NOx, CO2 are turned into clean air without noxious contaminants. How is this possible? The most important thing we've managed to achieve is to learn how to split up molecules of carbon dioxide into carbon and oxygen. That is something that no one has managed before. And today we have such results. The way we purify technological gas of all its noxious contaminants is what nature itself is doing. Every second, plants produce oxygen. This is an elementary natural process which takes place on the edges of needles of a coniferous branch, cactus, or leaves of any other plant. The same takes place on the edges of LIM needles. When LIM is switched off, smoke freely passes through the machine and goes up to the atmosphere. When the machine is switched on, the smoke literally disperses and clean air goes up to the atmosphere. This is not a scientific invention, nor artificial chemical reactions with complex reagents, nor expensive filters. This is a law of nature which now works for us. LIM from NEPHI Technology.